Welcome student for the exercise of subtraction. This is part 2 and we will see the types of questions that can be asked in this section. Let's see types of question. Question can be asked in the three ways. First way, subtract 47,529 minus 3018, or subtract 3018 from 47,529, or find the difference between the number may be in the vice versa form. So always remember you have to subtract from the greater number. I mean you have to find out the greater number first and write down that, and below that you will write the smaller number. Is that clear? So always remember you have to subtract from the greater number. That means you have to write the greater number first, then the smaller number. Let's do some questions. Question number 1, 47,529 minus 3018. See the ones place, 9 and 8, this is match. So what should be added to 8 to get 9? That is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 1. Next, see the tens place, 2 and 1, this is match. So what should be added to 1 to get 2? That is 1. So the answer is 1. See the hundreds place, 5 and 0, this is match. So what should be added to 0 to get 5? That is 5. Now see the thousand place, 7 and 3, this is match. So what should be added to 3 to get 7? That is 4. Now bring down 4 as it is because nothing is below 4. Let's see the next question. 85,362 minus 54,021. See the ones place, 2 and 1, that is match. So what should be added to 1 to get 2? That is 1. Now see the tens place, 6 and 2, this is match. So what should be added to 2 to get 6? That is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Next, in hundreds place, 3 and 0, this is also match. So what should be added to 0 to get 3? That is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. Now see the thousands place, 5 and 4, that is match. So what should be added to 4 to get 5? That is 1. Now see 10,000 place, 8 and 5, this is match. So what should be added to 5 to get 8? That is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the answer is 31,341. Next question, subtract 10,216 from 65,327. Now see the ones place, 7 and 6, this is match. So what should be added to 6 to get 7? That is 1. Now see the tens place, 2 and 1, this is also match. Now what should be added to 1 to get 2? That is 1. Now see the hundreds place, 3 and 2, this is also match. Now what should be added to 2 to get 3? That is 1. Now thousands place, 5 and 0, this is also match. So what should be added to 0 to get 5? That is 5. Now in 10,000 place we have 6 and 1, this is match. So what should be added to 1 to get 6? That is 5. So the answer is 55,111. Subtract 35,271 from 67,694. So first of all you have to check whether one's place is match or not match. That is match because 4 is greater than 1. Now you have to ask one question. What should be added to 1 to get 4? That is 3. Now for 9 and 7, this is match. Now what should be added to 7 to get 9? That is 2. Now 6 and 2, what should be added to 2 to get 6? That is 4. Now in 7 and 5, this is also match. Now what should be added to 5 to get 7? That is 2. in the last set, that is 6 and 3, this is match. Now what should be added to 3 to get 6? That is 3. So the final answer is 32,423. Next question. Subtract 11,572 from 34,685. See ones place 5 and 2. This is match. So what should be added to 2 to get 5? That is 3. Now tens place 8 and 7. This is also match. So what should be added to 7 to get 8? That is 1. Next place 6 and 5. This is also match because 6 is greater than 5. Now what should be added to 5 to get 6? That is 1. Thousands place 4 and 1. This is match. Now what should be added to 1 to get 4? That is 3. Now 10,000 place 3 and 1. This is also match. Now what should be added to 1 to get 3? That is 2. So the final answer is 23,113. Now take one more example. Subtract 2,694 from 7,351. Very first we have to check whether the pairs are match or not match. So let's see the ones place 1 and 4. This is not match. So 1 will take borrow from 5 and 5 will become 4 and 1 will become 11. Now 11 and 4 is match. Now 4 and 9, this is not match. So 4 will take borrow from 3. 3 will become 2 and 4 will become 14. Now 14 and 9, this is now match. Now 2 will take borrow from 7. 7 will become 6 and 2 will become 12. Now 12 and 6 is match. Now 6 and 2 is also matched. Now what should be added to 4 to get 11? So 7 will be added. Now what should be added to 9 to get 14? Then 5 will be added. Now what should be added to 6 to get 12? So the answer is 6. Now what should be added to 2 to get 6? That is 4. So the final answer is 4,657. Next example. Subtract 1,089 from 43,547. So first of all we have to check whether it is match or not match. So ones place is 7 and 9. This is not match. So 7 will take borrow from 4. 4 will become 3 and 7 will become 17. Now 17 and 9 is match. Now 3 and 8 is not match. So 3 will take borrow from 5. 5 will become 4 and 3 will become 13. Now 13 and 8 is match. 4 is and 0 is match. Now 3 and 1 is also match and 4 is alone, that is also match. So in this way we have to first match the pairs, and then in the second stage you will ask the question what should be added to the lower part to get the upper part. Is that clear? Now let's do it in a faster mode. So start from ones place. Now 9 plus 8 is 17, 8 plus 5 is 13, 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 4 as it is. So the final answer is 42,458. Now next question. Subtract 42,649 from 94,378. First step, you have to first match all the pairs. So for that you have to see the ones place. 8 and 9 not match, so 8 will take borrow from 7. 7 will become 6 and 8 will become 18. Now 18 and 9 is match. 6 and 4 is also match. Now 3 and 6 is not match, so 3 will take borrow from 4. 4 will become 3 and 3 will become 13. So 13 and 6 is match. Now 3 and 2 is match. and the last pair is 9 and 4. This is also match. Now the second step, we have to ask by which number we have to add the lower part to get the upper part. So let's start. 9 plus 9 is 18, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 5 is 9. The final answer is 51,729. Now the next question is subtract 61,982 from 93,000. Now we have to do the first step. Check the pairs are match or not match. So the ones place is not match. So first 0 will take borrow from the second 0 and 0 can't give. So 0 will take borrow from next 0 and again 0 can't give. So the third 0 will take borrow from 3 and 3 will become 2 and the first 0 from left side will become 10. Now 10 can give 1, so 10 will become 9 and the next 0 will become 10. Now this 10 can give 1, so this 10 will become 9 and the first 0 will become 10. Now 10 and 2 is match, 9 and 8 is match, 9 and 9 is also match, 2 and 1 is match, 9 and 6 is also match. Now every pair is matched. Now we can go for the second step. So are you ready? 2 plus 8 is 10, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 plus 3 is 9. So the final answer is 31,018. Now see one more example. Subtract 6,19,872 from 9,30,030. Now we have to go for first step. See the ones place. This is not match. So 0 will take borrow from 3. 3 will become 2 and 0 will become 10. Now 10 and 2 is match. 2 and 7 is not match. So 2 will take borrow from first 0. First 0 can't give, so it will take borrow from next 0. This 0 is also not able to give, so 0 will take borrow from 3. Now 3 can give, so 3 will be reduced to 2 and we can write in place of 0, 0, 9, 9 and this one is 12. No need to say this is 10, then 10 will give 1, so it will become 9 and then second 0 will become 10. Now this 10 will give borrow to 12, then this 10 will become 9. So no need to do this, just you can write directly 2, 9, 9 and that is 12. Now see, all the pairs are matched. Now we can go for second step. So let's start the second step. 2 plus 8 is 10, 7 plus 5 is 12, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 plus 3 is 9. So the final answer is 3,10,158. Now the next pattern can be asked like this: to solve and check. In this we can check whether the subtraction is correct or not. For this, if we add the answer to the smaller number, the greater number should be obtained. If we do not get the greater number, then the answer is incorrect. Now the question is subtract and check the answer. 66,000 minus 33,250. Now for subtraction we have to see the pairs are matched or not. So in the ones place, 0 and 0, 0 and 0, if the numbers are same, then it is match. So this is match. Now see 0 and 5, this is not match. So second 0 will take borrow from third 0. The third 0 will take borrow from 6 because 0 can't give. So 6 will give 1 and 6 will become 5 and first 0 will become 10. Now 10 can give 1, so this 10 will become 9 and the second last 0 is 10. Now all the pairs are matched, so we can go for second step. So let's start. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 3 is 6. The final answer is 32,750. Now we have to check. So for that we have to write the first answer and the smaller number. This we have to add and check whether the answer is greater number or not. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 3 and 3 is 6. So 66,000 is the answer. Hence we get the greater number, so our answer is correct. So for the time being, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching as usual. God bless you all.